Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 performance wheel covers. First, gather your essential tools, a plastic pry tool and a soft microfiber cloth. These items will help you safely detach the covers without scratching your wheels. Make sure your vehicle is securely parked on a level surface and in park before you begin. This ensures stability and safety throughout the process. Having the right tools ready makes the job much easier and prevents potential damage. Now, let's get to the removal. Find the small notch on the edge of your wheel cover. This is where your plastic pry tool comes in. Carefully insert the tool into the notch and apply gentle, consistent pressure. Work your way around the entire circumference of the cover, slowly prying it away from the wheel. As it begins to loosen, support the cover with your other hand to prevent it from dropping. This careful approach ensures no damage to the cover or the wheel. Here are some important tips for a smooth removal. Always use a plastic pry tool. Metal tools can easily scratch your wheels. Apply even pressure as you work around the cover to avoid bending or cracking it. Once removed, store your wheel covers in a clean, safe spot where they won't get scratched. This preserves their appearance. Also, take a moment to clean the exposed wheel underneath the cover before you put it back on or before driving without them. To reinstall, simply align the cover with the wheel and press firmly around the edges until you hear it click securely into place. Make sure all the clips are properly fastened for a safe and snug fit. Removing these covers can offer a few benefits, such as improved brake cooling and showcasing the attractive underlying wheel design. Whether you prefer the look without them or are preparing for track use, knowing how to remove them is a valuable skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.